Hey everyone, join the video here. So in this video I'm gonna unbox my latest beast. Yes, this one. Well, there is a lot of story behind buying this thing, but in this video I'm just gonna do the unboxing, and there is a lot of tablet contents coming, definitely, because it's my only computer. Kinda, yeah, but yeah. So I'm gonna make a lot of tablet content, so do subscribe and definitely do like the video. So let's start. And yeah, I'm gonna be pretty much a little too excited about this, so I may not be able to show you properly or say things properly, but I'm really excited. So let's start. Okay, so here's the beast. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, but hey, here's the thing. I had to just take this thing off in the first because I need to see like what's inside there. Like, now let's open this. So I'm not good at unboxing, so you can watch somebody else's one, but let me enjoy mine. I mean, at least excitement. Okay. This is how Apple boxes should be unveiled, like this way. Hold this thing off like this way. It will come down slowly, slowly. Yeah. It's coming. Oh. Yeah. That's what I want. You can see what it is. Okay, let me put the box aside. I'm throwing as if like it doesn't matter, but it really does matter. Now I have actually turned it on in just a few minutes back, so just it's not set it up. Just yep. Now I'm gonna do the first time. I'm gonna feel right in front of you guys. Okay, so just let this thing be like this. Ooh, wow. Oh my god, I love it. I'm just gonna hold it right like this way. Can you see me? Hey. Okay, just look at it, bro. Oh my god. I'm gonna put it aside, okay? I'm gonna throw it, okay? Hear this thing. That's just a sound effect, okay? Anyway, we have the documentation, but here's one big surprise. You wanna know? Oh my god. I actually bought the iPad Pro because of this Apple sticker. You get 2 Apple stickers with a $1,000 iPad. Well, it's $1,000 in India, not exactly in USA. You can buy it for $799. But here the cost is actually around $1,000, even more than $1,000. Just keep it aside. Here's one of the things. It's the USB-C to Lightning cable. I'm sorry, it's a pretty lame joke, but it's a USB-C to USB-C, and that's the reason I bought this iPad, because it's just a USB-C. And I'm also getting a power adapter. Can you believe that? Now there is nothing in the box, and just yeah, that's it. So for now, I'm gonna show you the hardware, okay, as much as I can. Look at this. I bought the silver color because it was not kind of available in every place, so it looks good, but it's catching dust really well. Anyway, so here's the magnetic connector for the iPad Magic Keyboard or Foley keyboard, but yeah, I'm not gonna buy those things. I don't know why there is an antenna line. It's maybe because of the Wi-Fi antennas. Maybe that's the thing. This is the Pro camera setup. It's a wide angle camera and a main camera and a LiDAR sensor and a flash, like a flash on a tablet. Wow. You know, this iPad has quad speaker system, so 2 speakers at the top, 2 at the bottom, and they're very closer to each other than the past model. Anyway, that's not my thing. There is Face ID, you can see. It's unlocked, so it's restoring from the iCloud. This button is actually feeling like a mushy quite a bit, because I have been using iPads, the home button iPads, for a very long time. These buttons are quite a bit tactile, but this is quite a bit mushy. I would say that. Anyway, I'm liking that you can tap and unlock like my iPhone, so it's kind of easy. There is no other thing on the side. There is a one microphone hole, and there is this wireless charging, the reverse wireless charging, let's call it, to charge the Apple Pencil, but that's only for the Apple Pencil, nothing more. This is actually USB-C Thunderbolt port, but it's not as fast as MacBook's one, because of some kind of restriction by Apple, definitely, but it's way faster than any other tablet can offer you, but that's a great thing. Okay, here's one thing I found out, like if I'm covering the camera and just it's showing me that there is a camera that's covered. Oh yeah, that's kind of great. So here's the iPad with, sorry, okay, now it's totally just like my old iPad. It's just, yeah, that's the beauty of iCloud, right? I like it a lot. It will take time for a few things to be adjusted, but let me give it a shot like this way. Let's open the music first. You have this new style of navigation. or sorry, the multitasking, or whatever you say. You can open my website right this way, jointheavid.com. Okay, his album that's you can play, but I'm not gonna play it, but I'm gonna listen to my own. Okay, here's my website. You can check out my website for tech news. It is optimized for the tablet as well. Wow, it looks good, right? Okay, just play, listen, and it's actually basically I made the website like a very reader friendly. This text and all those stuff are. So let's play music first, okay? So this is the first time I'm also listening right in front of you guys, so let's start. Okay, that was pretty much okayish, I would say. Like, it sounds good, but it's not that loud. This sounds pretty much like very loud. Coming from the both side, it's just feeling like really great. I've been an iPad user for a very long time, and this is the first time I'm buying a pretty much of like a pro model. As much as people make out of this 120 hertz, I'm not feeling anything. I'm a 60 hertz guy, to be honest, but I'm not feeling like, oh, the 120 hertz is just so smooth. I'm not feeling it as much as people just show it on YouTube or just brag about it. I'm not feeling it. Really, I'm saying it. And I've been switching back and forth between 120 hertz and 60 hertz. Yes, there is a difference, but it's not that drastic that, like going back to the 60 feels like a pain. That's overly stressed out. Like, that's a little too much, I would say. As for now, it's gonna reload every single thing, my schedules and all the stuff, and I'm also gonna do a little bit of benchmarking and all those stuff, so get to know my iPad a little bit more. And I haven't even put any protector screen guard or whatever you guys say that, or even a case for it, but yeah, I will definitely try some of them. Let's see how beautiful this quality is. Oh wow, that looks good. That looks good, really good. My tablet has a flash right now, so that's kind of good. I don't know, I'm gonna use it for like quite a bit of days, and then I'm gonna give you a good judgment, and I'm also gonna edit the whole video on it. So just don't think like I'm gonna make it like, oh, my baby iPad, just I'm not gonna use it too much. No, I'm gonna put it through its paces, like whatever that term is. Like, I'm gonna do it. You can see my LumaFusion is right over here. I'm gonna download all of the stuffs, and yeah, guys, that's gonna be a great one. It's a 128GB model, the base model. I don't need a cellular connectivity. I have an iPhone, so it will automatically get connected to it. And yeah, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. And there is one reason I bought this one over the iPad Air 4, but I'm gonna make a big video on those, or also why I bought it right now, or why you should also buy it right now. If you want, don't wait for the next year. Can I use this shortcut? Yeah, bro, I can use it. Like, I can also use the dark mode, the light mode, all the shortcuts. Wow, that's crazy. That's the power of iCloud. Like, you just can do the stuff like easily. Like, it looks like my old iPad. I use Samsung DeX as my computer replacement alongside an iPad. So if you want to see my DeX tour, DeX setup, or whatever you say, or how I use those things to make these videos, even this voice is getting recorded right now inside the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. It's kind of crazy that it's getting unlocked every single time just without even me thinking about it. Like, I don't have a touch ID to do. Oh my god. Even though I'm used to do it on iPhones, but I just on iPad it just bonkers crazy. My iPad is getting quite a bit warmed. I'm not gonna lie, but I will also buy a solution for that. Right now I'm not gonna open the ultra wide angle camera, but I'm just gonna test it a little bit. Okay, just a little bit. Wow. Oh, so this one is the one. Okay, so this is the, oh my god, that is crazy. You can see my iPhone is recording. This is the iPhone 11. It does the job, and why would I need anything else? But hey, that's crazy. And yeah, this is a gift from my mom, dad, and yeah, that's probably it. So the thing is, I'm gonna edit the whole video, like the video you're watching on this iPad Pro, and definitely a lot more things are coming as content. So like, I'm gonna do a proper review of it. I bought some coolest accessories, so That was just like a little bit odd of an accessory, but it's kind of cool. It's pretty cheap, but it does work. And I've been using the tab for, like, when you're watching, I've been using the tab for like 4-5 days then. Yeah, I'm just keep on looking at it. It's right over there. So yeah, that's probably it for today. So yeah, that's about it. If you guys want to see more episodes like this, please hit the like button, please do subscribe or watch my other videos. Bye and take care.